first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with CAD.com Lab and make your AutoCAD 2D 3Ds Max dreams come true. Download the app now.
फिर होस्पोस हो जाती है, समझ में नहीं आता। इसीलिए आर्किटेक्चर पार्ट में इसीलिए कॉल आउट्स को यूज़ करा गया है, डिटेल कॉल आउट को यूज़ करा जाता है ताकि आप उनको मार्क करके अलग सेपरेटली शो करा सकें सिस्टमेटिक वे में। First we will discuss about the electrical elevations. Electrical elevation. So electrical plan we have discussed in architecture part. But in interior part, electrical elevation means the front part of the all switch boards that we mention on the front wall, or any furniture items. So electrical elevation means to measure the complete switchboard with modules and uses of all switches and socket. Also it's depend on the requirement of the client that what types of switchboard he will use in these areas. Switchboard 8 module, 6 module, 4 module, 9 module, 12 module, 2 module, 1 module, depending on the requirement. So with design of modules, also it's important to mention the uses, like this one is 6 ampere socket, second one is 6 ampere socket on off, TV on off, footlight, fan on off, fan regulator, USB socket. All details depends on the working. So switchboard details, also we can work on electrical elevation on the basis of the catalog also. Catalog is very important for our working in architecture part and also in interior part. With the help of the catalog we can choose the details, also we can choose the any company's product, and we can mention the every detail on the basis of the catalog: ampere, name, detail, price and sizes of the modules. Everything is mentioned on the catalogs. So we can choose any company's catalog. Here we can see the example, like this one is front plate of the all modules. So one module plate standard size is 19 to 19 to 6 mm. 2 module, 3 module, 4 module. So there are some important, like some standard sizes of the module plate. And we can mention the every detail on the basis of this kind of module. So catalog is very important for our working. So this one is 4 module, this one is 6 module board, and this one is 8 module, 6 module, 18 module, 12 module and 1 module. We will choose the every detail from the catalog, and also we will mention in our drawing. So the detail of the all switchboard, something like this. You can see here 2, 3, 4, and we will mention every module, every board on wall, on furniture item. Like this one is side table, so we will use the switchboard on right side and left side. And also we will mention the standard size of the standard height of the switchboard from the FFL, first floor level, finished floor level. Sorry. So this types of drawing is called a elevation, electrical elevation details. So in electrical elevation detail, we mention every module on walls, main switchboard, TV unit, uses, bedside table. When we work on the electrical elevation part, so we will make a copy of the all elevations and we will delete every detail item. The drawing should be very simple, without dimensions, without detail, without tagging, without decorative models. Drawing should be very simple, so that our focus should be on directly on the electrical elevation part. Okay, so don't worry, we will mention this detail. I will forward this detail so you can
Sir,
work.
I have one doubt.
Mm-hmm.
If time measure means we can do it drawings on this much of all detailing we should give, sir, or else no, sir.
In short time.
Yes, we can give, sir, in short time only.
In short time means
This one. If client required only 1 week or 2 weeks like that.
okay. So you wanna say that how we can work on these types of detailed drawing?
Yes, sir, it's take too much time, no, sir. All completely
right.
detailing means.
Actually, I tell you one thing that this kind of details, complete detail of the architecture and interior part, it's very difficult to design under 1 week.
Okay. Sir, I have shared one in WhatsApp group.
Mm-hmm.
It is enough, no, sir, to give to client, and
Okay.
if we require this much also we can do it, but if we have only a short time means how, sir?
In short time, we can design like elevation plan sections, but you mention only elevation. Also, you internal elevation of the wardrobe. You mention plan, internal elevation of the side wardrobe, detail of the groove, detail for loft, and 3D view. Yeah, we can work like this for short time.
We can save time now, sir.
Obviously we can do, no problem, we can do when we have a short time in our project. Then we design something like this that you forward me in WhatsApp, so
Yes, sir.
you can design simple.
If they require woodwork means we can do their only detailing. no?
Yeah, we can
Completely.
yeah we can do something like this details.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Why?
No.
Because it takes too much time now, sir.
Very.
It's a bedroom only we are totally, I think so now, 12 to 15 drawings.
Yes, so we can do like this, no problem.
Okay, sir. Continue.
When we work on a detailed project and we get a lot of time for our project, then we work with details and very deeply. Yeah, also we can say that we design everything in architecture and interior part, but the condition is that we should have a complete time for this. Point is, if we have a short time for our project, like that, if we have to design only bedroom part in 1 week, so we can design a simply plan, elevation, section, not section, plan, elevation, wardrobe elevation, and TV unit elevations. So there is no need to design the complete details of the like flooring and furniture layout, electrical elevations, there is no need to.